awesome!
Let's head down and see those crabs.
And make it snappy!
Okay, not seeing a lot of crabs.
Huh. Where do you hide millions of them?
Here they come!
They really do love rainy season.
Huh? Snow?
But it's too warm here for snow.
Yay! Christmas Island is turning Christmassy! Cool.
Not cool. The snow's stopping the crabs.
Oh, where's it coming from?
Ho, ho, ho! Now this feels like Christmas. Yeah.
Trouble, Go-Jetters. This snow is all down to Grandmaster Glitch.
Uh-oh, the crabs can't get to the beach.
We've got to stop Glitch!
Yeah, and make a giant snowman!
We need to clear the snow, Cayenne.
Yep, that's what I meant.
Foz and I can help the crabs.
And we'll clear the beach. Come on, Cayenne, to the broomstick.
Launching Vroomster in
3,
2,
1!
seatbelt.
Merry Christmas to me. Merry Christmas to me.
Grandmaster Glitch, your snow is stopping the crabs migrating to the beach.
Crabs? Don't you mean elves? Christmas must be very odd in your house, no, Jetter.